Hello, I'm Dr. Johnson. I'm going to be teaching your class this summer. Welcome to Teachers as Leaders. I wanted to do a brief introduction to the course as it will be taught online, and give you an opportunity to see how the course will be structured and what type of information to look for and when. This course will focus on developing teachers as leaders and looking at the role that teachers play in schools and in districts. We know that teachers have many responsibilities. They have leadership in their classroom. They're expected to have leadership in the profession, as well as in the community. So we will look again at the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards, Standard 1 Leadership, as elements of guidance for us as we develop our portfolios and our practices for leadership. This course will be organized in Canvas by modules. As you can see here on the left, there are very limited options for you to choose, and that's because I want you to focus the majority of your attention on modules. That's where all the information will be held. When you go to modules, you will see that you have that the weeks will be organized here in the main modules. It should have the Monday beginning date of the week. So week 1 starts tomorrow, June 27th. It also should have information regarding when assignments for this module are due. So all assignments due for this particular week on July 3rd at 11:45 p.m. You will then see in the module a variety of activities for you to engage in. Some will be readings from your textbook, Teachers as Leaders by Charlotte Danielson. Some will be articles that I have captured for you or on websites, but there'll be a variety of readings for you to engage in. There'll also likely be activities for you to do related to the topic of the week. In this particular module, you'll see that you have a reading. I give you a snippet of Teachers as Leaders, the book, as I know you'll be working on getting it in week 1. So I go ahead and give you the snippet of that chapter. You will look at the leadership standards from the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards, as I just mentioned. There's a case study assignment where you look at 3 teachers and think about how their activities embody those elements of leadership from the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards, and there's an article response. You will have very similar activities over these next 5 weeks. Each week modules will roll on, so you're not able to see week 2, but as the date for it to open approaches, it will appear on your Canvas, and the previous week will roll off. Once these assignments are due, you will not be able to submit them on Canvas. If you're having any difficulty with Canvas and how it works, I encourage you to go to the help section here in the red panel of the page. It has quite a bit of resources for students. It also has a 24-hour chat and help desk that students are able to utilize if they are having Canvas issues. If there is a link that's broken or a resource you can't access, then you would need to contact me. You could simply send me an email through Canvas here in your inbox or at my WSSU email. This Canvas email will send it to my WSSU email, and my messages to you through Canvas will go directly to your WSSU email. So please make sure you're checking that regularly. Again, I hope you enjoy this course. It will help you to develop your practices, procedures, in improving leadership over these next few weeks. And always know that I'm just an email away if you need assistance. Have a great summer.